Hi everybody, Sergeant Crypto here, Crypto Team 6. So here we are in 2018. We all know that the crypto markets were red hot for a long time. And now that we're into the new year, things seem to be slowing down. What I mean by that is if you take a look at today, today is a big day in crypto. But it's not a big up day. What we have here is a big down day. I'll go through kind of where we've been and where we are now. The crypto markets have been white hot, meaning there was so much hype and activity. People were just clamoring to get in. Market cap was growing day by day by day. And here we are now with crypto rates falling. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, everything seems to be coming down. As a matter of fact, it's not just coming down, it's screaming down. It's like money is pouring from these markets. Well, don't worry, this is actually a healthy thing. Nothing can go straight up. And for the last 2 or 3 months, that's exactly what has happened. The crypto markets went from about a $250 billion market cap to about a $800 billion market cap, and now they're pulling back to just less than $550 billion in market cap. And I wouldn't be surprised to see them pull back another 100 or 150,000, maybe even more than that. So, am I discouraged by this? No. As a matter of fact, if you watched that hype, all of that white hotness, and you were clamoring to get in, and you missed it, well, guess what? You now may have a second chance. But I don't think it's going to be like it was before. I don't think we're going to see everything screaming back up. I could be wrong, but right now we're experiencing a pullback. In addition to that, at the end of 2017, we were introduced to many fever pitch scams. People were looking to get into Bitcoin. Many didn't know how to trade. They didn't know how to get in. They didn't know what to do. They went on YouTube and they looked up how to make money in Bitcoin. They found lending programs. They found staking programs. They found ICOs. They found all sorts of things. And if you go do a search for cryptocurrency scams, you'll see that YouTube alone yields 238,000 results with the word cryptocurrency or scam in them. And they range from all types of scams. I mean, from flat out just stealing your Bitcoin to Ponzi schemes, all the way across the board. And I gotta tell you, some of them were quite convincing. I invested in some of these ICOs. I got involved in some of these lending programs, and it was not a good thing. Now, I've been a speculator for the last 25 years. I started with stocks, I worked my way into commodities, and finally ended up in currencies and forex. So I've got a good bit of trading knowledge, and I now know what I need to do. I'm not thinking that crypto is at an end. Not by any stretch. So if you look back in time, let's just take a look back. Because as a trader, I see through charts. Now, this is a Binance account. Many of you may or may not have exchange accounts. If you're going to be in the current cryptocurrency market, I'm going to recommend that you get yourself an exchange account. I don't care where it is. I don't care who it's with. But get yourself an account. Someplace that's more or less accredited. You can do searches and find reviews on them. Binance is a fairly new crypto trading exchange, but it's a good one. It's one that I trade with. I get lightning fills and so on. But here's what I want to do. I want to focus on the granddaddy here. I want to focus on Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has not always screaming high. This is from basically October to right around the first of the year. Right towards the end of December, we saw Bitcoin go from down here at $2,800 all the way up to $20,000, and now we're back down to $11,000. And I hate to tell you, but looking at this chart, just because I can read a chart, I wouldn't touch Bitcoin right now with a 10-foot pole. Not for the long term. I see money pouring out of Bitcoin right now. Is that always going to be the case? No, I don't think so. But if you look, we'll see here, the volume is very high and money is pouring out. I wouldn't run from Bitcoin, but I certainly wouldn't be adding to my position just yet. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade and you don't have any trading experience, I would be happy to be your mentor or your coach. I am looking for a few select traders that want to learn one-on-one or in small groups. And yes, I charge a fee for that, but I would be happy to have a one-time 15-minute consultation for absolutely no fee with anybody that's interested. Just hit me up on Messenger and we'll discuss it. I'll tell you what we're looking to do. I'll find out what your goals are, if you're even capable of being a trader. And if you are, I'll teach you my 25 years of market experience. And I can tell you, it doesn't matter what the market is. I don't care if it's petunias or if it's cryptocurrencies. If it can be charted and traded on a marketplace that you can get instant buy and sell fills, I can teach you how to trade it. It doesn't matter. The market name, the market product does not matter. What does matter is that there's liquidity. And in the case of Bitcoin, with Binance or any of the other crypto markets that you can buy or sell and fill quickly, I can teach you how to identify a market that you'll want to invest in, where you'll want to invest, and when to pull the trigger. That's pulling the trigger getting in and pulling the trigger getting out. So let me give you a free lesson here, a lesson that you can learn right away. And that is this. It doesn't matter how you trade cryptocurrencies. You can buy and hold on for dear life. And in some cases, people buy and the market goes absolutely nowhere for months and months and months. And it's very, very boring. And then other times, bang, it just takes off like Bitcoin did. The idea is to learn how, out of all the thousands of cryptocurrencies, how to look at a chart, validate whether it even has any value, and then determine when is the time to get in and when is the time to get out. I don't believe that you need to buy a bunch of coins and hold on for dear life. I don't believe that you need to go find coins that have had high, big run-ups and they pull back and now you buy them on the cheap, because guess what? They may never go back up. What we're looking for as traders are specific, very, very specific trade setups. I teach you how to identify those. I teach you the rules for trading any currency, any commodity. All of these will be taught on a one-to-one basis. The lessons can be as long as you want. You can have one lesson or you can go on for weeks. It doesn't matter to me. I do charge a fee for this, as I said. Hit me up on Facebook. Anytime you'll see me at Crypto Team 6 or Sergeant Zaby Crypto. Either one. Hit me up on Messenger. Let me know when you've got 15 minutes of time and when you'd like to start discussing it. I'll give you my rates, my fees, what we can do, what you can expect. If it's for you, great. If it's not, that's fine too. Sergeant Crypto here, Crypto Team 6. Don't be discouraged. Don't be dismayed. And certainly don't be scammed. Get a mentor. Learn a little bit about cryptocurrencies. Learn how to read a chart. And you'll never, ever have to worry again about your next crypto trade. Sergeant Crypto here, Crypto Team 6.